Next one is understanding uninitialized variable. When JavaScript variables are declared, they have an initial value of undefined. If you do mathematical operations on undefined variable, your result will be NaN, which means not a number. This is pretty typical to data science also. If you concatenate a string with an undefined variable, you will get a string of undefined. Let's see what it means in our Gitpod. What I will do is, I will initialize an undefined variable. So again, that means that is nothing. So I will say var un. I will do it like console.log, and I will say, let's see what this prints. What do you think? It will throw an error or it will print something? Based on our understanding, it should print undefined, and that's true what we have seen here, right? It will do undefined. Now let's take our second thing. That is where un1 and say console.log. Okay, let me do where un2, and now I say answer, where answer is equal to un1 plus un2. Let's see what this answer will return. I'm pretty curious to know this. I will just take this, run it. You can see it returns the exact thing. Why? Because we are applying mathematical operation of plus on this thing, and both have these values of undefined. This is a pretty important thing that you need to keep in mind, that don't let your variable uninitialized, else you will have issue while doing addition, subtraction, or any arithmetic operation or logical operation. So now let's check our final fact, that if you concatenate a string with an undefined variable, you will get a string of undefined. I will say checking for string concatenation, that is adding a string with undefined variable, yields undefined data type. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an empty string where str1 is equal to empty. And if you remember from our previous course, that this can be considered as a string because it has all the double quotes in it. Now I'm going to initialize an empty variable which will be an undefined value. I will say u and 4. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new variable where answer is equal to str1 plus u and 4. Now I'm going to print it console.log answer. Now let's check what the value it returns. You can see that it returns undefined. Next, we'll move to our next question.